This is the story of how we upgraded the wiring on our trailer to this 7-pin wiring harness with a 7-gang junction box. This is what we had before. It was just wires and not very nice looking ones at that. This new box was sent to me for review. We were originally going to install it on our RV, but the 4-foot model just wasn't enough for that. We have a 5th wheel, and with the gooseneck attachment of our RV to our truck, it just couldn't make it. So I'd definitely go for the 8-foot version if you're looking to use this on an RV. Okay, back to our trailer installation. We had to get a couple things in place. First, we had to have drill bits that would drill it through the metal, and the right kind of socket head cap screw to hold it all in place. Credit goes to my husband for all of this work, by the way. I'm just here to tell the story. Once everything was drilled and screwed in place, it was pretty much just like putting together a puzzle. Strip the wires, match the colors to the colors, twisty, there you go. Okay, there's a little bit more to it than that, but not a whole lot. Now the cord itself and the 7-pin head, really high quality. Look how thick this is. Weatherproof, very durable. Not worried about this deteriorating over time. Definitely made for the elements. This is a far cry from the old wiring system we had in place. This was wrapped around here and then zip tied to keep it in place while in transit, and it is on there nice and solid. Not going anywhere. Once everything was plugged in, we just made sure it was all connected and working as expected, and surprise, surprise, it was. We're super happy with this 7-pin wiring harness and junction box. Definitely an upgrade from our old situation. 4 feet was perfect for our connection from our truck bed to our trailer. We are ready to hit the road. I hope this was helpful.